What is an activity analysis as part of an activity-based cost management approach? Okay, basically what you're doing is you're looking at the individual activities that take part as part of an overall process. Okay, now once you've identified the steps that are being executed, there's a series of things that you need to look at when doing the activity analysis to make determinations about which ones are efficient, which ones are inefficient, which ones are necessary, which ones are not necessary, to see if anything could be combined, automated, cut out, that type of thing. So it's an approach to try to add efficiency and effectiveness to the process. Okay, so in looking at each step, you would look at, what personnel are involved in each step, okay, the amount of time required to complete each of the identified steps, the amount of resources that each step requires, the process of measuring whatever the resources and output are, and the actual measurements to use, because oftentimes simply a dollar value or cost is not the only thing. There's also time issues, there's opportunity costs, there's allocation of other non-monetary resources. So once again, you decide on a procedure to measure aspects of each step in the process and the measurements to use. Then you have to come up with some uniform level of value produced by each step, because once again, some steps are going to be cost drivers, others are going to be cost or value generators. Okay, each of those values can be compared to each other. One will offset the other, but they can be used comparatively with other steps that have a similar effect, that is, give rise to an expense or produce, again, revenue. Now, the ultimate objective here is to look for efficiency and effectiveness in any activity or any process. Okay, so the end result, the effect of this analysis will be a decision with regard to how to improve the efficiency or effectiveness of the process through things like automation, replacement of whatever is happening in the existing process, outsource of lower cost aspects of the process, merging processes with other processes that you may be already doing internally, or in some cases even breaking apart processes into smaller portions. Again, whatever is unique to the project that will add a degree of efficiency or effectiveness.